The first time it happened, we weren't even gone long. The app said, "Motion detected." Doorbell rang. We checked the footage. Nothing. Not no one. Nothing. We started leaving on purpose, testing it each time the doorbell rang. Last Thursday, the video glitched. Just a flash of static and something standing just behind the camera, its mouth open. But the doorbell didn't ring. But when we came home, it was ringing non-stop. I unplugged the doorbell completely. The next night, the ringing started again. And then the app sent us one last clip, us standing at the door, but our heads were turned all the way around, smiling. The timestamp 3:17 a.m. We were in bed, but the camera, it said we never came inside.